I say, you know, she just...
Yeah, when you're not pulling on her head, she doesn't do that at all.
Like I say, you know, all I have to do is just tug a little bit like that.
Mm-hmm.
Right around. Using my outside spur.
Right.
Like I say, she just got some little things that just need to be worked out.
Yeah. Stop, Brianna. She's athletic, though, isn't she? Quit. Quit.